What is up, guys? Baby Love G here with another epic video. Here's my new. This is gonna be my new intro for my video.
One for the brand. Here we go with the new wave. This is Beyblade. Pure heart, strong mind, they will never fade. The one and only Beyblade. Spin on the top. Spin till you drop on the ground. Future
I'll be uploading 2 videos today.
We stronger.
A battle and unboxing right now. So just enjoy. Alright. So anyway, I have more background music in the background, but anyway, first Beyblade, Samurai Alfred 1. I forgot the name, but I know a CS for on the bottom tip. I got it from Toys R Us on a bundle. I get those. I'll take it apart for you guys to see. And I doubt. I know it's nobody. If there's somebody out there that hasn't seen it, here you go. But let me get my tool. Okay, I'm back, guys. Okay, so what we have here is a CS tip for the Shogun Samurai outfit. Here is his tip. Kind of cool. It's just a flat tip. Then you know this is like DF 145, but it has way more. You know he's an attack type. So I'll go ahead and lay these out. Samurai Alfred's face bolt, if you can see that. There you go. You might not be able to see the metal. Here's Samurai. Yeah, it's kind of, there you go, a little bit better. It's the Samurai Alfred thing. Now we have his red piece. It's kind of light. Okay, so Samurai Alfred. Okay, so now I'm going to that's my unboxing for Samurai Alfred. I'll assemble the Beyblade here. I actually got 2 more, and I'm gonna need some help for these 2 because I got them in a package. Here's the Beyblade here. Assemble the Beyblade. Here you go, Samurai Alfred. Okay, so right here I have this Beyblade here. It's another Shogun Steel 0G. It's not Takara Tomy. It is Hasbro. It's actually, I'm not sure what it is. It has an octopus up there, or Kraken. I think it's Kraken. There's a face bolt. Kraken or whatever, not sure. I'm sorry guys, I'm kind of doing this on the computer. It's kind of light, yeah, but it's actually, that's what they call it on the show, Kraken. It's like 230, but it's a little bit, it's like a wide defense 230 with a tip with spikes, internal spikes. I'm not sure, but if anybody can comment on the bottom at my comments, please let me know. Beyblade OG telling you, please do that for me. Alright, this next one is all red. I think I can get the name for it. I can pull it up. Okay, so I have Pirate Kraken A230 JSB, and it's Hasbro. I also have I think it's the Phoenix E230 CF. here, here it is. I actually put a piece of that because it's kept falling down, but it's a modification for me. But the original, I'll take it apart. Here it is. Sorry guys, it's so light. Here's the tip. I mean, yeah. Here's the face bolt. I'm gonna throw this in front of your faces. There you go. If you can comment with that thing, the Thief Phoenix. If you want me, which one you want the battle? I took this from Curbex, my Curbex, and I put it up there just to add extra power. But here is what's the name? I will assemble this Beyblade now with the original pieces. Here we go. Here's the Beyblade so far. Now just to put the tip on. Here is the Phoenix. I guess that is what it is. But here are the three Beyblades. Here's Kraken, Phoenix, and Alfred. This is really like just Pegasus. It's the starter Beyblade, so you see here. But I would hope you like this video. Make it your favorite. Share this video and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is Baby OG telling you I'm out. Peace.